Reddit, I need to know if I'm overreacting.
For 2 years, I've been secretly leaving snacks outside for a stray cat in my neighborhood.
Nobody knew. Then one day, my neighbor knocked on my door and said, "Hey, your cat keeps sleeping on my porch." I laughed and said, "It's not my cat." He looked confused and pulled out his phone. Guys, the cat was wearing a collar, and on the collar was a note. "Thanks for the food. Mrs. Johnson, 3 houses down." Turns out the stray cat had an owner the entire time, and apparently the whole street knew except me. I spent 2 years thinking I was rescuing him. The cat was just running a side hustle.